Okay, here we are with a bunch of carpet all over the carpet. This is for the Jeep. I wasn't originally going to do any carpet, and then winter came around and it snowed and it got really cold, and I was tired of it, so I bought some. Just the front though. I just got for the front seats. I'm not worried about the cargo area because there's going to be a bunch of stuff going in there anyway. But this is what I got. The BedRug for CJ7 and YJ. I think the reason that this is what I went with instead of other brands, it doesn't tell you here, but it's 100% waterproof. The material it's made out of is foam on the bottom, but it has the carpet texture on top. And because of that, it actually is mold resistant, and it dries within 3 or 4 hours, I think, if it's completely soaked, which it probably will be during the summertime. But it comes with passenger and driver side, the heat shields for the transmission brake cover, and the whole bottom pan. You know, on a Jeep YJ, the front half, then the back half has like a 3 or 4 inch up. Then the cargo area is back there. But today we're going to be installing this, and there really isn't a whole lot to it. I'm probably going to have it mostly on time lapse, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys how it worked. And this is not just a plug and play type deal. You do have to do some cutting if you have any aftermarket roll cages or anything like that. Like, for example, my CB radio has this external speaker or the PA system wire, and the power wire, and the antenna, and the internal speaker wire, all running into the center console, and it tells you to remove the center console. So I don't know exactly how to deal with that yet, but I might have to unplug everything from that and cut the holes and put it back through. I'd rather not do that, but we're probably going to end up doing that anyway. But we're going to go ahead and get started on the install and see how it goes. Okay, so as I'm installing this, I did do something I thought was a pretty nifty idea. So I have a carriage bolt here with a nut on the bottom, and a small washer and a big washer. Now, why is this relevant? Well, if you look here, this is where the drain hole is. I'm not sure about you guys, but the plastic pieces that come with the drain hole, or to order some, are like $1, and they take forever to get here because no one in stock in town always carries them. What's nice about this setup is that you can just get under there with where the nut is and unloosen it to drain anything out. But doing this will keep everything on the outside, like water, and everything on the inside, like heat, supposed to stay where they're supposed to. Now, it's a little difficult because on the carriage bolt, I used it because it was smooth, and I won't notice it when you're oh Jesus, when you're sitting there like these ones here. With this though, undo that. You have the washer there. See, and also for me, this part here, if you can see that, is uneven. So I get gasket sealer, put that on there. Put it like that. Washer on the bottom, and then the nut, and then that will keep it nice and tight. And let this side will let some water out, but the driver's side won't. Man, I got clean. But that's just a little tip to keep everything, and it's not going to go anywhere because it's bolted in with a lock nut. So you're not going to have any issues with losing the plastic piece, which I've lost a lot. And I bought them by the 15 on Amazon, and I lost them all. So this is just a fun little way to keep everything in order where it needs to be. Just took a little break from installation and cleaning to do that. And what I'm doing back here is that I have a couple drain holes someone else put in right down there. I just put a screw in there and epoxied it. I'm just putting that on top to keep most of the stuff out. But I'm going to vacuum everything in here, and we're going to take out the center console somehow and figure out how I'm going to do that. So probably going to stop recording. All right, carpet is done. I love it. I do got to do some adjustments to it, like I got a few parts here that need to be uh, taken care of, and I think I can do that fairly easy. When it warms up, I'll probably use Gorilla Glue to glue on the and heat the Velcro for it and Velcro it down. Just on this middle part. I don't think I need to do it on the rest. Not right now, at least at a later date. But I'm gonna get a new boot, so that looks all nice. And I had to replace the front end of the center console with the CB because I broke it trying to get it out. I'm not sure if you'll see that in the video, but I wasn't too happy. But on the other side, the driver's side, looks awesome. Looks really good. Now I just need to get some cool pedals. But next, one thing that the first time I think I'm showing you guys on YouTube, I have a list. This list consists of everything I want to do, and this will be considered my New Year's resolution. I want to get this all done within this year. Now it's a big goal. I mean, like really big. I mean, like that's 26 items, not including the stuff that comes with what needs that done and everything. But carpet was my first one because it's cold. That is done. My next project will be the exhaust, and with that, that includes doing headers and custom the entire exhaust system. And the reason I'm doing that is because everything that I find online to purchase is a little too expensive, and I could easily do it at home. But thanks for watching this video of the carpet install. It's by BedRug, awesome company. They make everything 100% waterproof and resistant to mold, and dries within 4 or 5 hours, or 3 to 4 hours, or something like that. Really, really good quality stuff. When I got it, I was amazed on how durable it really was. It was a complete pain in the butt to cut. It's on certain spots because it doesn't come just plug and play. You have to do. I had to cut the transmission hole and all that stuff too. But I think that's it for this video. And I got a wheeling trip here coming up on the 1st, and you guys will be seeing that probably in a few parts because it's going to be a 6-hour ordeal by a local place, the Tuttle Creek, Manhattan, Kansas. So I'm really excited about that, and I think that's it. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.